So I'm going to show you a quick example of method parameters within our bank account class. So we already implemented our check balance method. As you can see here, all it does is return whatever your balance is on your account. But now let's go ahead and implement the deposit method. Now we know the deposit won't actually return anything. We're just putting in money into our bank account. We don't need to get anything back from this. We're just putting something in. So in our code, we're going to go ahead and make Alex's bank account. This is a new bank account. And now we're going to say we want to deposit some money in there. But Alex's bank account, from here, we need to tell the class how much money we're going to deposit in. So now we have to actually grab some data. We have to put it into our method. So we have to grab our number, which is 50 in this case. Let's say we want to deposit $50 and send it into our method. So in this example, you see Alex's bank account dot deposit. So this is going to actually call the method deposit, and we're going to pass in as a parameter the number 50. So what this is going to do is it's going to jump into the deposit code. So deposit code is over here. Remember, any method on a class is something that can be run against any object of the class, any instance of that class. So here we're running deposit on Alex's bank account, and we're passing in the deposit amount. So when we say 50 here, 50 is actually going to be what is stored in a variable called deposit amount. And when we're in this method, we can use this deposit amount. And all we want to do here now is say whatever the amount is, it's now going to be whatever the amount was plus what we passed in. So what we're doing here essentially is updating what the amount of our bank account is, and it's only updating Alex's bank account. So Alex's bank account somewhere in memory is storing Alex's account number, Alex's name, Alex's amount. In this case, we haven't actually set any of these things until we do deposit. This is when we're actually giving amount of value. So at this point, amount is 0 when we first make Alex's bank account. But once we deposit 50, it's actually going to say 0 plus 50 is now the amount. So now Alex's bank account has the number 50 stored in Alex's bank account's amount. So when we print out Alex's bank account dot check balance, what's going to happen is we're going to jump to this check balance code, which is over here, and we're going to return amount for Alex's bank account. And we said that amount is now 50. So what this will actually print out is the number 50.